Myself Liza Arora. I am working as a mathematics lecturer in Government Senior Secondary Smart School, Model Town, Patiala. Today I'll talk about solution of system of linear equations. Firstly, let us suppose we are given a system of three equations in three variables. To find the solution using matrix method, we will write it as Ax equal to B, where A is the coefficient matrix, X is the column matrix XYZ, and B is the column matrix of constants. Depending on the type of matrix B, we can differentiate the system into two types. If B is a null matrix, the system is said to be homogeneous. And if B is not a null matrix, the system is said to be non-homogeneous. To find the number of solutions, our first step will be to find the determinant of A. If that comes out to be non-zero, we will say the system has a unique solution. In case of homogeneous, this unique solution will be x0, y0, z0. But in case of non-homogeneous, we will find it. And if determinant of A comes out to be 0, in homogeneous case we will declare it has infinite number of solutions. But in case of non-homogeneous system, we will further evaluate adjoint A into B. If that comes out to be non-zero, means adjoint A into B is not a null matrix, we will say the system has no solution. But if that also comes out to be 0, we will declare the system has infinite number of solutions. Now let us see how to find unique solution in case of non-homogeneous system of equations. Firstly, we will find determinant of A, then cofactors of A. After that, we will write adjoint A, and finally we will find the inverse of A. On multiplying A inverse and B, we will get our values of x, y and z. To find the infinite number of solutions, we will consider one variable as constant, say z equal to k, and we will solve any two of the given three equations for x and y in terms of k. Putting the values of x and y in the third equation, we will verify our solution. As we will keep on changing the values of k, every value of k will give us a different solution set, and in this way we will have the infinite solution sets. Thank you.